All right, have you heard? Taco Bell. They're getting rid of the Mexican pizza because this is a Taco Bell family. We, today, are going to try to recreate the Taco Bell Mexican pizza. And I got the recipe from TikTok, okay? Let's go. It's gonna be like you're really cooking in the kitchen with me, right? It's gonna be, now, because it is a business, so we're gonna throw our canned beans. Yes, you can make them homemade.
Why?
That was easy. Put that on medium. You're gonna take your ground beef. I don't need oil for it because it's a high fat. Bam! More importantly, gotta take a sip of my Naomi Campbell. Look at that. Look at it. 1 packet of taco seasoning. I love the smell of that. It's always like the cumin that gets me. Because now, the beans are on very low. This is gonna, you know, simmer. It's gonna get all the flavors. Now you come over, you gotta dice up your tomato. Okay, much better than I thought. This is gonna go on top of our lovely Mexican pizza. Take your green onions, chop a few of these little bad boys up. All right, so we're good with our meat. We're good with our beans.
What's on your shoulder?
Do I have good lighting? Why do I have a bug? What's on my shoulder, Jason? Oh, Jesus. It's not funny. Thought it was a bug. Drain the fat. We lost a few for the homies, but that's okay. Okay, 1 cup of vegetable oil. I'm gonna fry the tortillas now. I hope it's hot enough to fry.
I am fucking crazy, but I am free.
This is the one thing that I don't know. I can just throw it in and see what happens. Throw caution to the wind. All right, so we're frying. Not too shabby. I think it's 3 minutes that you fry a tortilla. Okay, I'm gonna say that's 1. What do you think?
I'll allow it.
You'll allow it? That's a pass. Look at that, crispy. Golden brown. Fun part begins. We're gonna move our tortillas over here. Spread a little refried beans. Besides Taco Bell canceling, like if 2020 wasn't horrible enough, the Mexican pizza happens to be one of Jason's favorite things.
That's right.
Which means I'm about to be his BFF.
Yes, she is a bitch. B-I-C-T-H.
143 637. You know what that is?
That's right. 143.
It means I love you.
I love you, and 637 is always and forever.
Yep, 823. Thinking of you.
I didn't know that one.
You didn't know 823?
No, we didn't get that in my
823 was thinking of you. I mean, the naughty kids, not me. The 14369
Whoa.
meant that you were down for the get down. Look at our beef. I mean, truth be told, give me a spoon, put some sour cream in this, some hot sauce, and that's all I would need. Ew. So that's your first layer, kids. Now you take your next one, place it on top. Now you need your enchilada sauce.
Yes, ma'am.
It's gonna get messy, but that's okay. More cheese. Now your oven has clearly been preheated to 400 degrees, and you're gonna pop these amazing pizzas in for 8 to 10 minutes, basically until the cheese melts, right? Because everything's already cooked. Close the door, lose the key. Yo quiero Taco Bell. Ooh, I ain't mad at that. Look at that. Look, crispy, cheesy. All right, now there also has been debate between Jason and I about that. He said there was no sour cream. I think that's false. There was obviously Mexican pizza that had sour cream on it. So we're gonna do that. The best thing about it is, again, when I have kids one day, they can still enjoy like fast food, but I can make it with all organic products or something of that nature, and you don't have to feel guilty about what you're giving to your kids. I have a Mexican pizza from Taco Bell. In my memory, the sour cream goes in the middle, like this. Ba-dum-ba-ba. No, wrong chain. I could have, but listen, when you get it at Taco Bell, correct me if I'm wrong. It doesn't look this good. It doesn't, it's all...
You're right.
My version, my imitation, my copycat of Taco Bell's Mexican pizza. I'm gonna have it with the hot sauce, and I like the hot kind. Let's see if it actually smells like their hot sauce. Sure does. Here goes nothing. Yep, you know why it tastes like it? You get like that gush of the refried beans with the hot sauce. Slam dunk. Or was that smash ball? Have no fear, Bobby's here. Mexican pizza's going away from Taco Bell, so you come to my kitchen, I make it for you. It looks like this. So hit the like button if you enjoyed yourself. Comment, I like responding to you guys. Subscribe, obviously. Ring the bell for notifications. And don't forget to mark your calendars for October 1st, because that's when holiday season starts and all of the food's gonna be amplified. So, until next time, kids, I'm gonna go eat this and enjoy. Goodbye.